There's a new sheriff in town. All right, that was silly. This is the Grootpow weed puller back saver. These things are awesome. I have all kinds of these things, and I have barely any weeds left in my yard at this point. This thing is 39 inches long, weighs 2 pounds, 15 ounces. So it's made out of some kind of cast aluminum right here. Feels very durable. This is a fiberglass foot pedal on here. And one of the things I like about it is that you could fold it up. So if you want to store it away, hanging on a hook, you've got this folded up option. When you're ready to use it, you just pull it out and it's good to go. Once you've got the weed on there, you can eject it. One of the things I really do like about this is these locking nuts on here, which gives me the option to tighten the bolts if I need to, or replace it if it gets lost for some reason. A lot of these are riveted, so that's a cool option. Let me show you how this thing works. Pretty simple. You've got these 3 claws on here. We're gonna center it over the top. Center it over the top of the weed. Push it down if we need to. We've got the foot peg right here, and you just lean back. My ground's a little soft, so you can see it pulled a lot of mud out with it at this point. It pulls the weed and it pulls all the roots out, which is what we're going for. And it is gonna leave a hole in the ground because you're, in a sense, you're removing a plant from the ground. So expect that. And when you're done, you can eject it. If you're worried about the holes in the ground, you can always carry a little bucket of dirt, fill the hole back up, and you're good to go. Real easy, one hand. There it is. So this thing's really easy to use. Easy to store away when you're done. Plug it up, hang it up. Easy on the back, and it's kind of fun. This is the Grootpow weed puller.